In this video, we're going to take a look at how to verify grades. So teachers can verify their grades by selecting grades under the grading section of the CHARM menu. So I'm under grading, and then under grades, I can actually use any one of these different pages to verify my grades. For this particular video, we're going to select the STEM's Outcomes Grades option. Just know that you can follow these instructions for any of the other pages. So once I land on this page, I need to make sure that I'm looking and working with the correct class. And so know that you can select different classes by just clicking on that drop-down menu. I also need to remind those of us that have a master and subclass structure, know that your report card grades must be entered into a subclass. So our next step is to make sure that we're verifying our grades in the correct reporting period. So that can be found in the top right-hand corner here. And so on the training site, it's only going to show 2. On your markbook, you will see 4 options. So for semester 1, T1 is the first reporting period, and S1 is the second reporting period, and that would be your January report card. In semester 2 courses, T3 is the reporting period, often in March, for the report card. S2 is the final reporting period in June. And for those of us that have full year courses, it's going to go in the same order with one minor difference. T1, first reporting period, S1, second reporting period, T3 is your third reporting period, and then year 1 is the final reporting period in the June report card. Now that I've verified that I'm in the correct course and the correct reporting period, I want to take a closer look at individual student achievement. So if I click on the cell that intersects between the student name and the reporting period, the score inspector shows up on the right-hand side. And this is where, if I would like to alter that auto-calculated grade, I would do this. So there's 2 fields. I'm going to change the mark in both of those. Once you do that, you will see this little triangle show up. And what that little triangle indicates is that the mark has been manually entered, and the score inspector will display the auto-calculated grade below those 2 fields. So for this particular demonstration, I'm going to revert that back to its original. And in this case, this gradebook has been set up using the STEMs and outcomes. So if you've been tagging to outcomes and inputting assessment information into the outcome columns for your assignments, you can view the outcome progress graph from the STEMs Outcomes Grades page. So we're in the STEMs Outcomes Grades page, and here's where I can actually take a look at how this student has done in this particular outcome. So if I click on the cell that intersects their name and the outcome I want to take a look at, you can see in the score inspector, the GO is over here. So if I want to click this little box right here is called the trend line icon. And what comes up next is a graph that shows more information about the different assignments. So for this particular outcome, this is the assessment information that's been entered, and these are the different assignments that were connected to that particular GO. So once I've looked at this evidence of learning, I decide I want to alter that. And so again, you will see that little triangle shows up, that this mark has been manually entered. And what's new is actually if you go back over to the grid, you can see this gear over here has shown up. And that tells us that we need to recalculate for that overall mark. So I'm done with the graph. If I want to hide it, I just click the trend line icon one more time. So I've adjusted this mark, which means then that my overall calculated mark needs to change. And that's when I can go up to the little sprocket here, click on Recalculate Final Grades. Oh, and it tells me to save and continue. And this gradebook has been set up with STEM's Outcomes Final Grades, so I will select that button. There is a separate how-to on recalculating final grades. And there we go. Marks verified.